Silambam is a weapon-based Indian martial art originating in South India in the Indian subcontinent. This style is mentioned in Tamil Sangam literature. The World Silambam Association is the official international body of Silambam. Silambam has been practiced since at least the 4th century BC. It derives from the Tamil word Sheelam, meaning mountains. The term Silambambu referred to a particular type of bamboo from the Kurinji hills. The first stages of Silambam practice are meant to provide a foundation for fighting and also preparatory body conditioning. This includes improving flexibility, agility, and hand-eye coordination, kinesthetic awareness, balance, strength, speed, muscular and cardiovascular stamina. Silambam made its first historical appearance in the eyes of the world through the auspices of the Committee of the United Nations Assembly, which recommended Silambam Asia for United Nations status. Though it is not a part of Olympic Games, but has left its mark. Among the youth, it is considered as a newfound workout and is becoming popular. There is rapid increased love for this form of art and is spreading among the youth. Silambam, an integral part of Tamil culture. Parai Attam is a Tamil Nadu dance form. In Tamil, Parai means to speak or to communicate. It also means drum. It is one of the oldest drum in Indian history. Parai is used in southern India, northern and eastern Sri Lanka. This drum is emblem of Tamil culture. In the very old archaic days, this drum was used as an instrument for communication meant to convey message to the public. People used Parai to gather people at one place and deliver the message at once. Later the drum associated with the dance form Parai Attam. In ancient days this drum beats were used for many purposes, to warn people, to gathering them for the conveying the messages or for the announcement of battles and announcing the defeat in battles. Also, it had its use to in sports festivals. Parai beats express freedom, joy and braveness. Parai ignites you and make you dance. It's the beat of all common man. It is simple and energetic. This dance has great importance in the Tamil Nadu culture, and the people there value it a lot as well.